Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you today an UltraVac by UltraSource. This is a dual chamber vacuum sealer, mostly used in the meat industry. We're running on 220 3-phase voltage right now. The cycle starts by pulling the lid closed. Immediately we'll start pulling down the vacuum. And you'll see it reaches 99% vacuum. The seal, the length of time, cooling time for the seal to set, begins venting the chamber, and you'll see the chamber release once it's successfully vented and the chamber is released. You can swing it over to your next side. Start your next cycle. We have everything in process and packaging in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.